Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these air fryer chicken legs. Hello, let's get started with these air fryer chicken legs. So I get a lot of, questions from people on my blog about like, can I do this? Can I do that? And a lot of people are like, I don't have an air fryer, but I do have an oven with an air fryer setting or a convection setting. Can I use that? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make the chicken legs in my oven on the convection bake setting, which is essentially air fry. That's what an air fryer is. It's a little convection oven. So we're going to make, I've got 5 chicken legs. You wanted 5 to 8 chicken legs. And I've got a baking tray lined with foil. I'm going to add the legs to a bag. So now I've got my seasonings. I've got a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half a teaspoon of oregano, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. The recipe also asks for garlic powder, but I'm not going to use any garlic powder today. So I'm going to combine all of this. I like to combine it first before I pour it in this bag with the chicken, just so it mixes easier. So now I'm going to sprinkle it in the bag. I can smell that smoked paprika. And we're going to do like shake and bake and make sure all of the chicken is evenly coated with the seasoning. Okay, now we're going to put these on our sheet tray. Okay, these are going to convection bake or air fry, whichever you prefer, for 15 minutes, and then we're going to flip them and do another 15 minutes. You want to make sure the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit or more. Chicken legs can go over. Chicken legs and chicken thighs actually do better when they are overcooked, of course you don't want them undercooked. So in the convection oven, these go. Okay, we have our chicken legs out of the convection oven and they look so good. I mean, just look at them. They look amazing. So we did 15 minutes on each side, and then we needed a little bit longer, so they needed an extra 10 minutes. But they are so juicy, and it was virtually mess-free. We used the foil, pretty much mess-free. And look at how juicy that chicken is. Oh my gosh. Be sure you check out this recipe. I also have the same recipe or a similar recipe for air fryer chicken thighs. It is the most popular recipe on my blog. So be sure you check that out. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.